In this tutorial, I will share how to control a DC motor using Maker Drive and program it using CircuitPython. Besides Maker Drive, I use the Maker Nano RP2040, a 2-cell LiPo battery, and a DC motor. Here are the connections between devices. Make sure the connection is correct, especially on the power side, then connect the battery and the USB cable. This CircuitPython example code requires the Adafruit motor library. Value 0 for throttle means stop, 1 and -1 refer to two opposite directions with maximum speed. That's all for today, and stay tuned for the next video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.